bridges. Before we start, I'd just like to explain why I chose this topic. So a few weeks ago, we were asked to build the strongest bridge we could with only an A4 sheet of paper and 5 paper clips. The two sides of the bridge had to be exactly 15 centimeters apart, and it had to be at least 20 centimeters high. I found this challenge really fun, so I decided to go a bit deeper into it and present it to the science video contest. So, the design. I came up with a few different ones and ended up not using the paper clips. I will explain that in a bit. You might know that bending a horizontal surface is much easier than a vertical one, or that the top of a triangle is very strong for the same reason. This design uses this exact principle, and I think you'll be surprised at how strong it is. But that strength also depends on the distance between the folds. If it's too big, the paper between two folds can bend easily, and a too small interval will be more similar to a normal sheet of paper. I am using a 1 centimeter interval, as that worked very well last time. I set off to build this. I am slightly cheating, as I'm using thick paper. But in our bridge task, it didn't specify the thickness of the paper, so I said, why not? As this is a recreation of that experiment, I'll be using the same paper. I know from my previous test that this can hold an impressive 3.5 kilograms, so I will start by adding 3 kilograms worth of books before adding coins, so as to save time. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the test.